stock, crypto, credit moves. Good morning, YouTube. May 3rd, 2022, 9:30 a.m. Today I wanted to bring toasted Avax to the channel. The Debs of baked beans is behind toasted Avax, and apparently toasted Avax was created to give the baked beans platform more stability. So let's get into the contract and see how it is performing. It's been out for a few days. Let's see. So right now we're sitting at 13, and it takes Avax, which has actually been on a decline. It's around $60 right now. So it's 13,155 Avax contracts. And the Avax value is right under 800,000. So it looks like right now a lot of people are reinvesting into this platform, and it's supposed to provide some relief from the downward pressure on baked beans. So that's why I went ahead and put some here. If I'm in one, I might as well get in the other, because I'm all about having long-term passive income. So why wouldn't I join here, throw a few dollars over here in Avax, and try to sustain this great project that they've had over the last 6-7 months. So guys, if we want something to last, we have to do our part. And by doing your part doesn't mean you have to blow up your money. You don't have to put a lot in, but just spread it around. Try to sustain these projects. I mean, they've done a good job at developing, because these are a high yield investments, so they're high risk. So I know what I was getting in before I signed up. So it pretty much works the same as baked beans does. Total daily return is a little less, which I don't mind, and the Deb fee is the same. APR is less. As I said, this one was created more so to provide some stability to baked beans. But if you think about it, guys, you're still getting 5%, and the Deb fee is 3%. Even if you're getting 2% a day, 2% a day, what bank is going to give you 2% a day? And it's 7 days a week. So you're still getting 14% a week on your deposit. I mean, where else are you going to get that? And then they actually drop we earn less on the referral, which I'm fine with. I'm all about just having some sustainable platforms. Even if it's 1% a day, I'm happy, because it's more than what I can get anywhere else. What happens when I toast Avax? When you toast Avax, you get Avax, it gets locked into the toasted Avax Smart contract and rewards up to 5% a day. Can I get my initial deposit back over time? Toasts are not bought. Toasts are toasted, therefore they can't be sold. Once toasts are toasted, they will work for you indefinitely, providing you with an unlimited amount of Avax at the starting rate up to 5%. How much are my fees? There is a small 3% Deb fee in order to pay the marketing costs in developing the Avax ecosystem. When is the best time to start? Always, no matter when you hire miners, you will all begin with a rate of 5%. How often should I retoast? We recommend that you compound at least once per day, but you are free to do so as often as you want. So like I said, guys, this is a repeat. Let's go into the ethos. So this is pretty much who actually audited this. So I guess ethos, this is the most recent list of current completed ethos audits, and this is actually one of the highest audits you can actually have. They audit against scams. So they've done Meme Lords, Baked Beans, BCT Chart Token, Toasted Avax, Panda Farms, Aping Avax, Aping Drip, Big Caravan, and Dectra. This was just done a few days ago. It's pretty much like I said, it's a baked beans repeat. Issues reported, 3 low issues. For this to be a platform that was built to sustain another one, I don't have an issue with it, guys. Whatever they got to do to keep this passive income coming in, I'm down for it. I put out what I'm able to risk, so I'm completely fine with the results. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just on here to show you what I'm doing to create daily, weekly, monthly passive income. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, signing off.